This is tutorial number 114, and it covers how to use the parallelogram feature within SOLIDWORKS. Now to start off, let's open up a part file. Let's click File, click New, click Part, click OK. Now we're going to be using the parallelogram sketch feature, and why we would want to be using this feature is if we want to make pretty much like a rectangle on an angle to something, this is what we would be wanting to use, because if it wasn't for that, it'd be a lot harder to manually go in and draw it out and have everything dimension right and everything. So to start off, let's click Sketch, and let's click Rectangle, click Front Plane, and let's just draw a rectangle over here. Now let's say that we wanted another rectangle to be going up around like that. So if we would want that, we'd probably have to sketch it out ourselves, do the lines like this, try to line everything up, and then we're able to go and let's say that we want that pretty much is it at a 45-degree angle, and say we want it at a 45, then we have it. So just to show you a quick and easier way to go about all that, so let's just delete these lines here. Would be using the parallelogram feature. So click Tools, click Sketch Entities, and click Parallelogram. So what it is pretty much like a 3.3 click way to create your parallelogram or your rectangle on an angle, whichever way you want to look at it. So you click one point here because it's going to be in line with him, and then this one's going to be the angle. It even shows you the angle. If you look in the box, it shows the distance and the angle. So we wanted like a 45, so you can shoot for 45, but just to show you how we can move it around, I'm going to put it around 20, and then we're going to put it up to 45 after. So click there, and then your last click is going to be the height, how much you want it to be. And everything's shown to you in right beside the point. You're going to see the distance and the angle. So click OK, and now you have your parallelogram. So let's shift it around. So we'll click that line, and let's make it 45. And now we've moved it 45 degrees up. Now I'll just show you again, just a quick way of doing it. So Tools, Sketch Entities, Parallelogram, and it's 3 clicks, and you've got your parallelogram rectangle on an angle. So the reason why we'd use this is that instead of doing manually, going through all these lines and trying to like line them all up and everything, you click 3 times, shows you your angle, shows you your distance. It's a lot easier to use, quicker to use, and you get a better result. So that concludes our tutorial on how to use the parallelogram feature within SOLIDWORKS.